Today we're sewing a DIY spa headband, also known as skincare or makeup headband. You know, that soft, fluffy, comfy band that keeps your hair completely out of your face and makes you feel like you're at a facial appointment in your own bathroom. Whether you're cleansing, masking, doing your makeup or filming content, this little accessory keeps your hair dry, protected and completely out of the way. And instead of buying one, we're making a custom version that fits perfectly and matches your vibe. It's beginner-friendly, super cute, and such an easy way to elevate your beauty routine. Let's get started! And this is what you need for your spa headband. A knitted terry cloth. I made mine out of cotton. But there are also other fabrics on the market made out of viscose or bamboo, which I can really recommend. Just make sure that it is stretchy. Cut out a rectangle that is 50 centimeters long and 16 centimeters wide. Fold the rectangle in half and pin the long edges together. The terry loops go on the inside. Sew these edges 1 centimeter deep together. Do this by guiding the edges of the fabric along the markings on your sewing machine. Choose the zigzag stitch, but reduce the width of the stitch to 2 millimeters. Sew 5 stitches, then sew backwards and forwards again to secure the stitches. When sewing these edges together, make sure to really push the fabric underneath the presser foot. Otherwise, the headband will wear out while sewing. When you reach the end, secure the stitches again by sewing backwards and forwards again, and then cut the threads off. Set the width to 5 and finish the edges with the zigzag stitch. Do this by sewing along the edges, and when the needle is on the right-hand side, the goal is that it just misses the fabric. Also, when finishing, push the fabric towards the presser foot to prevent it from wearing out. Make sure that both edges stay flat and don't curl while finishing. Turn the spa headband inside out. Place it on the table with the seam in the middle. Now flip it around. Fold the 2 narrow edges into each other as shown. Make sure that the seams are visible on the outside folds. Hold the edges tightly together and check if the result looks correct. If it does, pin the edges together. The goal is to create this knot in the headband. Sew these edges 1 centimeter deep together with a 2 millimeter wide zigzag stitch. Secure the stitches at the beginning and at the end, and then cut the threads off. Now finish these edges with a 5 millimeter wide zigzag stitch. Start in the middle, sew forwards until the end of the edges, then backwards the whole distance, and forwards again until the middle. Then secure the threads by sewing a few stitches forwards, backwards and forwards again, and then cut the threads off. And then you're finished! You've just sewn this super cute spa headband. Well done! Remember to keep the leftover fabric for next week's project. I'm going to show you how to sew reusable makeup remover pads. Please subscribe and hit the bell to not miss the video, and share this video with your friends and help me grow my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time!